of Liberty not launching, crashing, black screen, not loading, freezing PC. 1. Restart Steam and PC. Completely close Helldivers 2. Exit Steam from the system tray. Restart your PC. Open Steam again. Launch Helldivers 2. NARC 2. Verify game files. Open Steam library. Right-click Helldivers 2. Select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for verification to finish. Restart Steam. NARC 3. Update graphics drivers. Update your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Restart your PC after installation. Launch the game again. If the issue started immediately after a driver update, consider testing the previous stable driver. NARC 4. Disable Steam and other overlays. Open Steam settings for Helldivers 2. Disable the Steam overlay. Temporarily disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA AMD overlay features. Close performance monitoring applications. Restart the game. NARC 5. Reset Helldivers 2 configuration. Press Windows R. Open the game's local configuration folder. Back up the configuration files before changing anything. Rename the configuration folder or relevant settings file. Launch the game again and allow fresh settings to be created. 6. Run the game as administrator. Open the Helldivers 2 installation folder. Locate the game's executable. Right-click it. Select Properties Compatibility. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Number 7. Repair DirectX and Visual C++. Install or repair the required Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Make sure Windows is fully updated. Update required DirectX components through Windows. Restart the PC afterward. 8. Disable full-screen optimization. Open the Helldivers 2 installation folder. Right-click the game executable. Select Properties, Compatibility. Enable Disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply. Start the game again. Number 9. Check Firewall and Antivirus. Open Windows Security. Go to Firewall and Network Protection. Make sure Helldivers 2 and Steam are allowed. Check whether your antivirus has blocked or quarantined a game file. Restart the game after making changes. Number 10. Reinstall the game. Use this as a last resort. Backup configuration files you want to keep. Uninstall Helldivers 2 through Steam. Restart your PC. Reinstall the game. Launch it before enabling overlays or additional software. Test whether the crash, black screen, loading, or freezing problem is resolved.